beautiful people. This is Monica Agarwal from Divine Center, Part 2 of Spirituality. As you know that I am a tarot card reader, a psychic, clairvoyant, numerologist, rune reader, Reiki Grandmaster, and you know all about me. Anyways, so let's start with the video. So the beautiful thing which happened in the life of a tarot reader, when you are attached and have a passion towards your profession, come the path which you have chosen is when you receive your new deck. I have couple of deck in my collection, say somewhere around 12-13, but today I received 2 of my deck. And when you receive a deck, these are the beautiful gifts from the universe, because these decks were attracting me and on my list for last many months, and I waited these decks to arrive for 1 month, and finally they are here. Look, I have tagged them with my tag also. The beautiful pouches with the deck. So I am going to unbox this deck for you all so that you can have a look at the beautiful pictures of this deck. And after this video, I am going to attune this deck as well, or maybe before showing you, I will attune this deck and then make a proper video of unboxing. I may not be unboxing it in front of you, but I will be taking out all the cards and I will be flipping out all the cards one by one for you. So I am inclined to start with this first deck, and I will make 2 videos, one for each deck. So I will be attuning this deck after the cleansing and then showing you this deck. So cleansing process and attuning the cards process has been taught in the tarot classes. So if you want to learn tarot card reading, you can contact me. There are all the online classes are going on. So let me meet you after attuning this deck and just opening up this deck so that I can show you the deck pictures. And here you go. So I have opened the deck, and this is the velvet pouch which I have got with the deck. See how soft it is. It's exactly the pouch of the size of the deck. This is the deck box. And this is a book which has come with the deck. If you see, it's a small guidebook which reads about the meanings of the cards. Small deck book, a handbook which you can easily read. Like they have given the complete explanation. It's a small explanation, one para of each card they have given. And this is the deck. This is a little bigger sizer than the normal Rider Waite, but comes easily in the hand. And I am a big fan of this author's artwork. His artwork is amazing, and I'll show you one by one all the cards. I'll flip all the cards one by one, and you can see that how beautiful the artwork is. So these decks are for the advanced readers. If you are a basic tarot card reader, like you have learned from the Rider Waite, and if you have been given an attunement, and if you did the professional course and you know how to attune the cards, you can attune it to the psychic powers, into your energies, and read it. Because reading it by just meanings will not give you an accuracy in the reading. So it is always advisable that under the guidance of a professional tarot teacher, you should learn it properly and then only read it. So if you want to do the tarot card reading courses with me, and particularly if you like some deck which I'm using in my readings or unboxing video which I'm doing, you can mention that you have seen this deck, or send me the video link of any pick a card, and you can mention that you want to learn it from that particular deck, and I will guide you how to buy it, from where to buy it, and you can join the courses. So let us start with the flipping of the cards. Now here we start with the card flipping. The very first Fool card. I love the artwork. I love the images. Paper quality is good. Back cover is also amazing. It's new. I have a couple of cards from this author. Not all I liked, but yes, the recently or few years back design cards I like. I may show you the other cards also if you want. I have a huge collection of the cards, so you can give write on the. So this is very the best part of this author is that his cards are always very very nicely printed, and it can shuffle it. You can shuffle very easily. It does not stick to each other. So this is like full card. Now I'll flip all the cards one by one. I love the high priestess image. She is, a full divine, a full moon energy, and full intuitive powers has been depicted. And I love the empress. Now, empress is all about nurturing, angelic energy, motherly energy, and it is beautifully picturized in this card. Now different from the normal emperor. Hierophant, interesting image, a spiritual background, a magical and a mysterious, and a spiritual teacher. Now the Lovers card is very beautiful. I like the concept of the hanging man also in this particular card. Death card is often been shown as a very negative. So here they have shown it from a different perspective. See the devil card. It is the same kind of thing, but they have emphasized the devil much. And they have some symbolic of the black magic and negative spells, and then here the people tower, star. Moon is also very beautiful. Judgment. Word. Swords. Okay, so it has Ace of Swords. Now, word the 22 cards are completed. Ace of Swords. The swords is started. So even the minor arcana cards has been designed in a very beautiful way. Four of Swords. Seven of Swords. Now see the Cups cards. How beautiful it is. Ace of Cups. Everything about Ace of Cups has been beautifully depicted in this card. If you know how to read these cards, this does not happen by the meaning and just merely intuition. There should be a combination and a proper attunement towards these cards to read it. Three of Cups. It's so beautiful. I am in love with this artwork. But you should only buy the cards if you know how to read it, because if you're a beginner, you should not be buying all these cards because a beginner may not be able to read it. It's better that you practice well with the Rider-Waite and similar cards, and once you have the clairvoyance in psychic energies, then only go with these cards, because these are the complete psychic cards. You can't just by the meanings, it will not give you a complete accuracy. That is what I always try to tell the people, that card reading is not all about meanings, because meanings has been made and designed by a reader like us who are experienced, but everybody has their own perspective. So psychic energies and attunement to the cards to connect with the cards energies and the client's energies is very much required. Now see the Nine of the Cup. Now, unlike the Rider-Waite, the Ten of Cups is beautifully, been depicted here as a family, and they have shown a pet, a couple, a beautiful home, a bonfire. Now, these are the Pages card, which shows the young energy. This is the King. This is the Queen, named at Q, and this is the Knight card. Now we'll start with the Wands cards. See, Two of Wands. How beautiful the energies are of these cards. I'm able to connect very properly with it because I'm attuned to it. See, Four of Wands, and then Five of Wands, a card of conflict. Six of Wands. So these are the slippery cards. So I like slippery cards because they shuffle easily and they spread easily. I don't like the sticky cards. I'm a person who likes the slippery cards. So I like these cards. Paper quality is good. The print quality is very good. Colors are very bright. Now see this. Queen of Wands. See the face and the expression of Queen of Wands. So friends, this is the channel of Monica Agarwal, and if you want to learn the tarot card reading, you can join our basic course, professional course, advanced courses. We teach with the standard decks, but if you specifically like some particular card and want to go for an advanced courses, you can mention before querying or during querying that what card you would like to choose, and I can guide you towards that process. So coin cards has been started. It's an pentacles and earth energies. See, every card is beautifully designed with an atmosphere. Some people think that this author has a similar energies in every deck of his, but I don't think so, because I find his every deck is little different from the other. Even especially his oracle decks are very beautiful. I've been using that in the readings. So this is all with the deck, and this deck is already attuned and ready for the reading. You might see me using this deck soon in the pick a card readings on YouTube and Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, my ID is tarot_reader_Monica, and my YouTube channel name is Tarot Card Reader Monica Agarwal. Follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and see, I don't keep the decks for the sale, but yes, for my students who like the decks, they can ask me, and if I feel that they are at level that they can read from these cards, I can disclose the cards proper name, and I can also guide you from where to buy, because there are a lot of fake cards available on the net. You should be buying only the original ones. I literally waited for 1 month to get this original deck, and this deck was on my list for the last 1 year. Not only this, the other one also, which I am unboxing. Thank you so much. So hi friends, I'm very 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 excited for this deck, because ये deck बहुत special है. So this deck has a booklet. छोटा सा booklet है इनका, बहुत ही छोटा सा है, बहुत ही it's like basically. Okay, so they have rather than and along with an English explanation, they have an Italian explanation also, because the specialty of this deck is that it's directly from Italy. Yes, it is made in Italy, it is printed in Italy, and I'm so excited because Italy is the first place where this tarot card reading has been originated. So it is definitely not Visconti Sforza, but it is a golden tarot, not the exactly Rider-Waite golden tarot, it's a different golden tarot, and this has come directly from the Italy. Again, I have waited for so long. This is the back cover of this card, and it has a beautiful box also, and but you can't keep the cards in the box because it's a very very thin box. But then it is mentioned that it is made in Italy. See, it is here, it is made in Italy. So that is the best part, and I am very excited to see this card, and it's a beautiful card. I got this beautiful black velvet pouch to keep these cards after the attunement, and I have DIY my name on it, Monica. So welcome to my channel. This is Monica Agarwal from Divine Center, Patova Spirituality. So I have not habitual of doing the unboxing of the cards usually, but if people demand, I will keep doing that. And if any trader who is into an original decks, because there is a lot of fake decks which is available in the market, I would love to check the quality and unbox that, but still this is, I have bought it for myself and from my dealer who is originally sourcing the decks from the Italy and US and all these things, and this is directly from the Italy, and I've waited for 1 month to get this deck. So this is like, the name is also Tarot Sophie. We used to call Tarot Chi and Turok, and then it converted into a tarot. So it beautifully depicts the originality of the cards, And let me flip these cards for you, and let us start with it. So the beauty of these cards are its originality and the golden edges. See the golden shine in the card. So this is like quite I would say quite okay paper, good paper, in fact, not okay, good paper. It's a little you can say that it is a similar size as Rider-Waite, but it's similar size in the length, but in width it is a little slimmer than Rider-Waite, but it nice, it looks good to hold that. And see, this is a Fool card. How beautiful is this card? Oh God, I am in so much of love with this energy. This Magician. This is all a shining of the card, you see. It's so nice, it's easily shuffleable, it's again shiny and slippery cards, and slimmer cards. I love the surface and everything about this card. Just beware of the cards which are not original. They have a very poor paper quality, so do not buy the cards from anywhere like this until you know the trader, until you know the person who is sourcing from the original place, because cards have a energy, and if it is printed or if it is pirated, then it loses the charm. See the Empress card. How beautiful this Empress is, na? Like she's stylish, she's motherly, but she's stylish. Now this Emperor, he has a fatherly figure, is dominant, but he has a softer heart also. These cards are a little bit different from the Rider-Waite, and I'm in love with these cards. It's the Hierophant. These are one of the golden editions. There is a hell lot of golden editions in the tarot, but not everyone is as beautiful as it is, because it is directly from the Italy. So I shown you the back side of the deck also, that it is originated from the Italy, because other cards were not printed in Italy may lose its charm or may not be original. See this Lovers. Now the Chariot card. And the beautiful thing in this Chariot card is that, have you seen the Rider-Waite? There are these two things, one negative and positive, which depicts the mind state, but they don't show the gender of that person, these pictures. But here they are showing it as a females and male or something like that. This is a Temperance card. Strength card, sorry. How beautifully she has, tamed the lion comfortably. Beautiful Hermit card. Proper shinings. I love the shining, and this is like Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God, this is lovely. This Justice card. This is a Hanged Man. And I am doing this unboxing on a high request, because as I told you in earlier videos also, I don't do the unboxings. But this is the first time, or maybe this is the second, third time I'm doing it on request, with people who are very excited to see my new decks. I have couple of decks which I have bought it last month, and then I have couple of decks which I bought it last year, but opened it in this lockdown only. So you might be seeing me doing the readings with a different card. You can also demand the readings from this card. You need to mention it that you have seen this card in my unboxing video and you want a reading specifically for this, so that I'll make sure that I use these cards for your readings, because I have around 14-15 decks. So you'll have to mention that what deck you want me to use. You can also mention if you want to learn readings, like you're doing a tarot card reading course and you want that you want to learn from a particular deck. You can mention that you have seen that deck. You can send me the link of this video and ask me to guide you towards these cards. How beautiful, every picture is beautifully, and the best part is the shining, the gold shining. Moon, this is adding the energy. Now these all major arcana cards are done. Now we started with the Cups card, Ace of Cups. Oh my God. Even the one of the most negative cards which shows the depression or black energies, they are also looking so beautiful in this deck. Definitely has a different energies because it's originated from Italy, and Italy is the origin of tarot deck, which reached to the Milan and then to the Europe and then came to the India. Okay, so these are the healing candles which I've been using to clean my card and to charge my card. The other two candles are, normal candles I was keeping. I think this is, so this is like 5 of Cups, 6 of Cups, no, it is 9 of Cups. It was 9 of Cups, 8 of Cups, 9 of Cups, and now this is 10 of Cups. I'm in love with the both deck which I opened, but this one is really awesome. I think I'm going to use this deck most often in my readings. Now the Pentacle cards are started. See the energy of Ace of Pentacle. Beautiful energies. And now I've shown you the back cover also. This is the back cover. Page of Pentacles is also very beautiful. Now this is Knight of Pentacles. See, every card, they don't forget to give us golden shining as the name suggests. Now the Wands cards. Oh wow! I love these cards. I'm sure my future students are gonna learn from these cards. I am getting that intuition that people will get inclined towards that card and they demand me to, use these cards in learnings because it has a different energy. So definitely its attunement would be different. I'll soon be unboxing some of my, not unboxing, a flip through of some of my oracle cards so that you can get an idea how does the oracle cards look like. These are the, Rider Waite and the original cards. Oh, swords card. See? Even this two of swords, they have beautifully depicted this. See? In a normal scenario, there is standing and tensed food. Now here it is blindfolded, two swords, but the face has somewhat a calming energy. Now this is three of swords. See the shining, the color change of the card. See, the card is changing the color. Not only in the camera, even outside also its color change. It's changing color from red. So they've given some 3D effects also into these cards. Okay. And normally the one of the most negative card where there's a lot of blood and it shows the black magic, or sometimes it's blindfolded, but this card is, it's showing everything but not that much of negativity is there in this card. Now this is like bad dreams or depression or anxiety. That's why they are the oldest and ancient cards and directly from the Italy, because they have that energy. So this is all with the cards. Flip through is completed, and now I am gonna put these cards into this my velvet box and keep charging this box. You can put crystals also in this velvet pouch or in the box. Like normally I use this velvet boxes. Let me show you my other box also which I use. Apart from these, I normally put my cards. Let me show you box. So this is a beautiful box. Inside, okay, I'm not able to open it from single hand. Okay. So this is velvet inside, and I put the crystals for the cleansing. This is how the cards have been stored. Or you can store it in a velvet pouch. Like this one I have engraved with my name. I'll do some more creativity on these pouches also. So I hope you like this video. Do comment me, how do you like this video? Do you love my unboxings and my flip through? In fact, this is a flip through. These are the new cards, and you can demand the readings from these cards, and you can demand the courses from these cards. Thank you so much, friends. This was Monica. Please subscribe on my Instagram channel, tarot_reader_Monica, and my YouTube channel, Tarot Card Reader Monica Agarwal.